Hi, everybody. Say hi, Autumn.
I don't know.
Say, we're in the this is blah. Hi, everybody. Say hi, Autumn.
I don't know.
This is Pafford Homestead here, and we're in the kitchen today, and it's going to be me and Autumn. And we are going to go back in time to my childhood, and we're going to make French bread pizza. And Autumn here is going to help Mommy make it, right? You going to help Mommy make pizza?
Pizza.
Pizzas. So, you start with preheating your oven to 425 degrees. And after the 425 degrees is preheated, then we're going to take and we're going to brush olive oil onto our French bread, which I got 1 pack of French bread, and I cut them in half, and then I took and cut the halves in half. So 4 quarters is what we did. So we're going to take the oil and we're going to put it over each of the top, and then we're going to flip it over and we're going to put it on the other side as well, and then we're going to stick it in the oven and let them brown for about 4 minutes. So once the oven gets heated up, we'll be right back. So stay with us. Say stay with us, Autumn. Let me get that one started. Okay, so like I said, I pulled everything out of the oven, got it cooled. So now it's Autumn's time to start making her pizza. Are you ready?
Ready?
You ready? We're gonna start with the pizza sauce. We're gonna put pizza sauce on it, okay?
Okay.
Take your spoon. Hold your spoon. Good girl. And we're gonna spread it on. Okay?
Okay.
Wait, you need a little bit more.
More?
Yeah, a little more. All right. That's perfect. Perfect. Yes. So now we're gonna go ahead. We'll put a little bit of cheese on it right now. You want to put a little cheese on it?
Cheese.
Cheese? Sprinkle your cheese on. Yep, sprinkle your cheese. There you go. Okay, that's enough cheese. Look. Here, pepperoni. Let's put pepperoni on.
Yeah.
You can put them on? Put it on. Good girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, put it on there. Put this one on too. Good girl.
Yeah.
Now you want to put some ham on it?
Yeah.
Sprinkle your ham. Here, here's some more. There you go. Big girl.
Onion.
You don't want onion. You want some more cheese though. Put some more cheese on top. Oh, wow. You did amazing. A little more cheese. Good, good. Okay, that's enough cheese. No, no more cheese. No more cheese, Autumn. That's enough. No more cheese. Okay, so this one is Autumn's. And y'all seen how we make it. So when I get them all done, we're going to put them back in the oven at 425 degrees. And we're going to bake them for about 13 minutes until they're good gooey. So let's make the other ones.
I know.
Yeah. You going to help make these too?
It's cute.
Okay, we got to put pizza sauce. Wait, we got to put pizza sauce on it first. Let's put some pizza sauce.
Yes.
Hang on. Okay, you want to spread it? Yay. Amazing job. Now get some cheese.
Cheese.
Put cheese all over it. Okay, that's enough for now.
Cheese.
That's enough cheese for now. Here. Okay, that's good. That's good cheese. Okay, let's put some pepperonis. You gotta eat a little. Pepperoni. Oh, you gonna eat a pepperoni? Okay, you can eat a pepperoni. Oh, you gonna eat another one?
No.
Okay. Let's put some ham. This is very, very simple, y'all. You okay? Now, for this one, we're gonna put some onion. Onion, yeah. Put some onion and some, yeah, bell pepper. Bell pepper. Yes. And now some more cheese. Get my cheese. Thank you.
It's cheese.
Yeah, it's cheese. Oh, you're such a good helper. That's enough cheese. You're such a good helper. Okay, you gotta eat some cheese? Okay, let's get another one. You ready?
I'm ready. Yeah.
Pizza sauce? Yeah, wait, I gotta put another spoon. Okay, you ready? Hold the spoon. No, like this. Hold the spoon like this. There you go. Now, let's spread it. Good girl. Okay.
And more.
Get a little cheese.
No cheese. No cheese. No plain cheese.
Yep. Now some pepperoni.
Pepper.
Put some pepperoni on it. Oh, you gotta eat the pepperoni again? You gonna taste all the pepperoni? That's cheese. I'm gonna put some more onion on this one. And some bell. Oh, I forgot the ham. Mommy forgot the ham. Hey, what'd you do with that other one? You just stole pepperoni. No, pepperoni thief.
Hey.
Yeah, pepperoni and cheese thief.
I don't know what.
That's bell pepper. Okay, you ready to put some cheese on it?
Cheese.
Cheese it. Good girl. Get some more cheese for it.
That's cheese.
Good helper. Yay. Okay. All right, let's get the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, you ready?
You ready?
Okay, let's spread the sauce. Good helper. There you go. Get the cheese.
Get cheese.
Get some cheese. A little more.
Need more.
I'm like you. I like cheese. Okay, you ready for the pepperoni?
Pepper.
Is that good pepperoni? Is that good? Do you like that?
I like that.
Yeah. You're stealing all the pepperoni off the pizza. There's your pepperoni. Good job, Adam. Bell pepper.
Good pepper.
You're stealing the pepperoni again. And cheese. So, this is what they're going to look like. And we're gonna put them in the oven at 425 degrees and let them cook for 13 minutes. Stay right there. Stay right there, monkey. Okay, you're gonna go. Okay, so while that's cooking, just got the pizzas out. They're so beautiful and they smell good. I'm actually gonna let them cool for a few minutes before I let her dig into them. Yes, Houston. Okay, so I'm back. And I just took the pizza out of the oven, y'all. I have to show this to y'all. Look at this. Look at how well this actually came out. This is gonna be so great, y'all. I am actually gonna do a taste test here, and then I'm going to end the video because I know Autumn's hungry and I know I'm hungry. So, Charlie? Charlie? What? Come do a taste test? Listen to that crunch. Listen to that.
Mm. Mm. Hot.
Mm.
It's hot.
It's hot?
It is hot. Okay. That over here.
Oh, I get this one.
You can have that one. They both got it on
Get
there.
on the medicine. Hot. Oh, what is it doing?
Hang on, y'all. There. Okay. All right. So we're going to try this.
You gonna try this? Leave it alone.
There we go. So,
Yeah, I'll fix the camera so they can see us.
here's the pizza. This is just a little bit of it. Let's try it. Mmm. Remember it
It's
just like
hot,
when I was a
baby.
little kid.
It's hot.
It's like having a deep dish pizza.
That's wonderful.
Hang on, monkey. Wow.
Not bad at all.
Come here. So like I said, this is something that you can do with your children, grandchildren, anything, anybody, neighbors' kids, anything. Y'all can do it together. So this is Pafford Homestead Kitchen. From our home to your home. Stay safe, be blessed. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, and give us some thumbs up. Stay safe, be blessed, love you. Bye, y'all.